Hi and welcome to Debt Tale. This is Rebecca Bautista and we're going to be talking about money orders. So let's get started. Alright, so a money order is another type of paper payment that cannot be bounced because the amount was already guaranteed and paid for prior to receiving this paper. Now, money orders can have limits you need to double check. For example, at the United States Postal Office, you cannot buy a money order for more than $1,000 in a denomination. And if you do over $3,000, you have to fill out a form and provide a government ID to help prevent fraud and money laundering. Now, you can get an international money order. It is more limited. It is up to $700. However, it is $500 if you are going to be paying someone in El Salvador or in Guyana. Generally, money orders are purchased through with cash or with a debit card. I haven't had experience where you could pay for it with a credit card, but I may be mistaken. Now, in order to get one, you need to go to a place that sells them, and you need to have the payee's name, the address, your information, the amount that you're going to be putting into this, as well as the reason for. In general, they also will require your signature. So how does a money order work? Well, you are prepaying the value that you are putting into it. If you're getting a money order worth $500, then you had given the company $500. You also will have to cover an issuer's fee for generating it. So you will be paying more than $500, and that fee can vary depending on where you go to get the money order. Now, money orders are guaranteed to cover that amount. Therefore, it cannot be bounced like a personal check because the money was already prepaid. Where can you get a money order? Well, some U.S. post offices, so United States Postal Service, USPS, not UPS, can sell you some. You can go to some retail banks like Wells Fargo. Certain credit unions may also offer this as a service to their members. You can also get them from like a grocery market. Kroger, I know, does it, and other larger retail grocery chains may also have it, and of course Western Union. Other options could be like a pharmacy. A Walmart tends to do it, and you would want to consider like those pay loan places. Why do people use a money order? Well, for one, it is a guaranteed piece of paper to have funds, so you won't get any type of insufficient fund bouncing. For a person who accepts them, it is more of a peace of mind for them to take it. Another consideration is the fact that it is safer than a regular check because there are no account numbers written on it. So if you are a type of person who is afraid that someone will take your information and run with it to get access to your bank account, then using a money order is safer. Another thing is that not every person has a banking account or has an account that you can write checks from. If that's the case, then a money order is a good way to send money to a loved one or for paying for something. They're a more secure form of payment. So in general, you're not supposed to be sending cash to the mail, even though I know quite a few people do it. This is safer because no one can cash it, only the person that is the payee on the money order. So yeah, that is yet another way of paying somebody money, and I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Always happy to help. If you would do me a really big favor and give this video a like, as well as share it to somebody who may not be familiar with money orders, I would really appreciate it. As always, I hope you have a great one, so I'll see you. Bye.